I leave my apartment. I lock the door. I walk down the stairs. One step, then another. I reach the ground floor. I push the door open. Outside feels cooler. I notice the air. I walk toward my car. It is parked near the corner. I take my keys out. They are in my hand. I press the button. The car unlocks. I open the door. I sit inside. I close the door. It makes a solid sound. I put my bag on the seat. I place it carefully.
I start the car. The engine comes on.
I look at the road. Cars pass by. I check the mirror. Everything looks fine. I drive forward. Slowly. I reach the first light.
It turns red. I stop the car. I wait. I rest my hands on the wheel.
I breathe out. The light turns green. I drive again. I turn onto the main road.
Traffic is light. I feel okay. Normal. I drive for a minute.
Then another. I reach for my bag. I touch the side pocket. I pause. I check again. I feel inside the bag. Nothing. I look down. I open the bag.
I see my notebook. I see my water bottle.
I do not see my wallet. I stop touching the bag. I think for a second. I tap my pocket. Left pocket. Empty. Right pocket. Empty. I keep driving, but slower. I think about this morning. I try to remember. I remember my keys. I remember my phone. I remember my jacket. I do not remember my wallet. I sigh quietly, just once. I check the road. Still clear. I slow down more. I stay in my lane. I tap the steering wheel, just a little. I think about where I last saw it, on the table, near the door. I picture it in my head. Brown leather. I glance at the clock. I still have time. I check the mirror again. A car is behind me. I keep driving. But my mind is busy. I touch my pocket again.
Still nothing. I press my lips together.
Not angry. I reach the next light. It turns yellow. I stop. I wait. I look around. People cross the street.
One man walks fast. One woman walks slow. I check my phone. It is there. I lock the screen. I put it down. I think about my options.
Go back. Or keep going. I look at the light. It turns green. I drive forward. But I stay slow. I think about what I need today. Coffee. Lunch. One card. I need my wallet. I nod to myself. Okay. I signal right. I turn the car.
I make a U-turn. Carefully. I drive back the same way. The road looks familiar. I pass the same store.
The same bus stop. I see the same tree. I smile a little. I feel less stressed now. I made a choice. I reach my building again. I pull in. I park the car. I turn it off. I sit for a second. I do not rush. I open the door. I step out. I lock the car. I check it once. I walk back inside. The door opens. I climb the stairs again. Same steps. I reach my floor. I walk to my door. I unlock it. I step in. Inside feels quiet, just like before. I drop my keys on the table.
I look around. I see the wallet. Right there. On the table. Near the edge. I pick it up. I hold it. I open it. Everything is inside. I nod again. Good. I put it in my bag.
This time, for sure, I zip the bag. All the way. I take a breath. Slow. I check the time. Still okay. I turn around. I head back out. I lock the door again. Click. I walk down the stairs. Same steps. I push the door open. Outside again. I walk to my car. Same spot. I unlock it. I get in. I place my bag on the seat.
I check it once more.
I start the car. The engine comes on.
I sit back, ready now. I drive away again. This time I feel ready.
I look ahead. The road is clear. I drive a little faster now. Not too fast. I stop at the light again. The same light as before.
I wait. I rest my hands on the wheel.
I feel the steering wheel. It feels smooth. The light turns green. I move forward. I pass the corner again. I see the same store. Someone is walking a dog. The dog stops. Then walks again. I keep driving. I stay focused. I reach the main road. More cars now. I check the mirror. Cars behind me. I change lanes. Carefully. I signal. I move over. I feel better now. Less pressure. I tap the wheel once, just a habit. I think about the wallet. Now it is in my bag. I touch the bag. It is there. I nod to myself. Okay. I look at the clock again.
Still fine. I turn the radio on.
Low volume. Music plays. Soft. I listen for a moment. Then I stop noticing it.
I slow down near another light.
It turns red. I stop again. I wait. I look to my left.
A bike is there.
I look to my right. A truck waits. The light changes. I go. I turn onto another street. This one is quieter. Houses line the road. Trees on both sides.
I pass a school. The yard is empty.
I see a crossing guard. They stand still. I slow down, then pass. I check my phone screen. It lights up. A message comes in. From work. I do not open it. Not now. I turn the screen off. I keep driving. I reach a parking lot, almost empty. I turn in. I park the car. I turn the engine off. Silence. I sit there for a second. I breathe out. I unbuckle my seatbelt. Click. I grab my bag. I feel its weight. I open the door. I step out. I lock the car. I check it once. I walk across the lot. My steps echo. I reach the door of the building. It is open. I walk inside. The air feels different, cooler, quieter. I stop near the entrance.
I look around. I see a counter. A few chairs. I walk forward. Slow pace. I stand in line. Just one person ahead.
I wait. I look at the floor. The floor shines. Very clean. I hear someone talking. Low voice. I look up. The line moves. I step forward. I adjust my bag. I reach the counter. Someone looks at me. They smile. I smile back. They ask for something. I listen. I open my bag. I look inside. I see my wallet. Right there. I take it out. I hold it. I hand it over. Smooth move. I feel relieved. Quiet relief. They check something. They type. I wait. Hands relaxed. I hear keys. I hear paper. They hand something back. I take it. I say thank you. They nod. I step away. I move to the side. I put my wallet back in my bag. I zip it again. I check the zipper. Closed. I sit in one of the chairs. I rest my back. I look around again. A few people sit quietly. One person checks their phone. Another looks at the wall. I sit still. I wait again. I think about earlier, about forgetting the wallet. I shake my head a little. Not upset. It happens. Small thing. I check my phone now. I open the message. It is short, nothing urgent. I reply with one line. Done. I lock the screen. I put it away.
I hear my name. Someone calls it. I stand up. I grab my bag.
I walk forward again. Ready. I feel prepared now. Everything is with me. I take one more breath. Calm. I step toward the desk.
I am no longer missing anything. I step away from the desk.
I walk toward the exit. The building feels quiet now. Not many people inside. I push the door open. Warm air hits my face. I step outside. The sound changes. Cars pass by again. People move fast. I pause near the door. I adjust my bag. I feel the strap on my shoulder. It sits right. I look around. I know where I am. I walk toward the sidewalk. My steps feel steady. I reach the corner. I stop. I look left. I look right. Cars move through the light. I wait. The light changes. I cross. I walk past a small shop. The door is open. I smell food. It smells warm. I slow down for a second, then keep going. I feel hungry now. Just a little. I check the time. Still okay. I walk toward my car.
It is still where I parked.
I unlock it. The lights flash. I open the door. I sit down. I close the door. Quiet again. I put my bag on the seat. I check it without thinking. The zipper is closed. Good. I start the car. The engine comes on. I sit for a second. I rest my hands. I look through the windshield. The road is busy. I pull out slowly. I join traffic. I follow the car in front of me. Not too close. I stop at another light. I wait. I look at the crosswalk. People cross. One person walks fast. Another checks their phone.
I look ahead again. I stay focused. The light turns green. I move. I turn onto a different street.
This one feels calmer. I pass houses. I pass trees. Some windows are open. Some are not. I think about where I am going next. Just the next stop. Nothing big. One thing. I signal. I turn. I park near the curb. I stop the car. I turn the engine off. Silence. I sit for a moment. I breathe out. I grab my bag. I open the door. I step out. I lock the car.
I hear it click. I check once. I walk toward the entrance.
Another building. I slow my steps. I am not in a rush. I look at the door. It is open. I step inside. Cool air again. I stand near the entrance. I wait for my turn.
I look at the floor.
Then the wall. I hear voices, low and calm. I shift my weight, one foot, then the other. I feel relaxed now. Everything is in place.
I touch my bag again.
Just a habit. I know everything is there. I do not check. I wait quietly. I feel ready. I think about the small thing I missed earlier. It is done now. I smile a little. No problem. I take one more breath. I stay right here.